All right, hello everyone. This is the second of our courses. This course is going to be about the Iridium 9555. This course is all about how to make calls, the most important thing probably that we want to know how to do. Our first course is all about the basics of how to turn it on and off, keep it charged and things like that. But now we're going to actually talk about making calls. First thing, of course, we're going to do is power it on by using our power button there. We talked about in the last course. Of course, we're going to extend our antenna so that we can get a good signal. Extend it straight up. If we're actually talking, we're going to adjust it like this so that our antenna is straight up, whether we're talking on the left or right hand side of our head. But for right now, I'm just going to keep it straight up. We're going to be out in an open area. Right now I'm just in my backyard. It's not a complete open area, but you'll see that when the phone is ready to use, it'll say registered there in the middle. So you see that now we got enough signal to actually make a call. There's actually a signal strength indicator there in the top left-hand corner. You see right now I only have like one bar there, just like on a cell phone, but that's enough to make a call. So once you have all that ready, you're ready to actually dial in your number. The best way to always remember about a satellite phone is you're basically always making an international call. So the easiest way to do it is by always starting your numbers with 00. So here you see I type in 00 and then the rest of a number. So if I had a number from the US, I want to use of course 1 for the country code for the US, and then let's use the Iridium test number, which is 480-752-5105. So with this number, what you'll see is that if I get enough signal strength here, it should actually call them, and we'll hear a voice recording. This just is a way for us to test whether we're actually working. Okay, so we lost our connection there, but you see that's probably just because I'm in a bad location here, but basically I typed in the number correctly. The other way to type in the number is just starting from this screen and typing it in directly without the 00. But here you'll see what happened is when I first started doing that, automatically a plus sign came out. That plus sign is just a way to show you that you've got that it's basically as if you put in the 00. That's just a small shorthand way. So here I would do the same thing. I would type in the number again, 480-752-5105, and I would try to call it again. We'll see if we finally get through on one of these. Right now it doesn't really matter so much. We mostly just want to make sure that you have it. You can test it out on your own. Couldn't make it through there again because I got low strength there. So that's calling to the US. What are some other numbers, for example? Like if I wanted to call the Peace Corps emergency number, same thing. I would dial 001, the US, 202 692 and 1470. So again, that would be another US number. That's like a Peace Corps number that we would probably actually use. I'm not going to dial it now because I don't want to upset anybody there at the emergency line. The other way to think about it too is if we know that many times we're not always going to be calling the US, we might be calling other countries. So for example, if I was calling a number here in Mexico, I would dial 00. Then I would put in 52, which is the Mexico country code number, and then the rest of the numbers. So my cell phone, for example, is 442-236-5150. And then I would push the green button again, always to start making my call. Green to stop the call, green to start the call, and red to stop it, of course. I'm hoping one of these calls might go through for us. Trying to call my cell phone here. Yeah, so you can't see it right now because I'm using the phone to actually make this video, but the call was coming in for me. So that's nice. That shows me that everything's working. And of course we can call real people and actually test out our phone. The other thing is, many times you don't want to just be dialing these numbers in all the time. You want to try to have some numbers stored up. So you can do that by hitting the menu button here, and then you can see it says My Phonebook. That's the very first choice there. If you hit that, you can see, for example, that I've got three numbers or three types of information stored up in here. So you could probably put a whole lot more in there to make it a lot easier. I put in, just for the purposes of this experiment, I put in my wife's number, my cell phone number, and then my email address. On another course, we'll talk about sending text messages and sending email messages, but just to let you know that these are all possible, basically, just as if you were storing a number on your own cell phone. You basically just go down to where we were in the phone book, and you'll see that it says options new, and we can add other numbers in there as much as we like. So that's a good way to go ahead and get super prepared, because there's nothing like being nervous and trying to type in a lot of numbers. If you have it already set up on here, you'll just make it a lot easier. So you could put all your basic numbers in there, like country director, RSO, different important numbers like that you're going to need. The other thing that is great is that if you push the call button, the green button there, it'll show you all of your previous calls. And so if you have typed those in, you can always go back into, select one of those, press options, and then save it as a new contact. So there you basically save yourself some time, not having to repeat it, repeat dialing the number every time. And that's basically about it. The only other thing I guess we could potentially talk about is a little bit about how to also call other satellite phone numbers. You remember that the satellite phone numbers are a lot longer. Basically, it's like the area code is 8816. So basically, if you wanted to call another satellite phone number, you would always start with 00, and then you just type in the rest of this number. Again, that will help you to call other people who also have a cell phone, a satellite phone. Thanks so much. That's making calls on a Iridium 9555 satellite phone. Thank you.